Welcome to Real Numbers. Today we present a concrete 12-month battle plan to escape poverty and build a fortress of wealth. Most people feel completely trapped in a never-ending cycle of debt, believing that true financial freedom is just an impossible dream. But what if you could change your entire life trajectory in just one single year by following a strict 7-step plan? This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is a disciplined roadmap designed to build a solid foundation for your future. Prepare yourself for a year of sacrifice and hard work. We are about to break down the 12 months that will change everything. Step 1 begins in January. We call this phase Stop the Bleeding. You must ruthlessly cut every single unnecessary expense immediately. If you are driving a car you cannot afford, sell it now. Downgrade to a reliable used vehicle to free up cash. Cancel every subscription service that does not directly help you survive or make money. Entertainment is a luxury you cannot afford yet. Stop eating out at restaurants completely. Cooking at home will save you hundreds of dollars that you desperately need for your foundation. This month is about survival and discipline. You are stopping the financial leak so that your hard work can actually yield results. By the end of January, your expenses should be at the absolute minimum. You have now cleared the path for the next phase. You have stopped the bleeding. Now you must prepare your mind and body for the most intense work period of your life. Step 2 covers February and March. Your focus shifts entirely to offense. You must maximize your income by any legal means necessary. Forget about investing for now. Your goal is to work 2 or 3 jobs to accumulate capital as fast as possible. Sell high-value skills like copywriting, design, or coding. Leverage the gig economy to turn your spare time into cold, hard cash. Every extra dollar you earn must be saved. You are not working this hard to spend it on clothes or gadgets. There will be moments of exhaustion. Remind yourself that this temporary pain is the price you pay for a lifetime of freedom. Your target for these 2 months is to save your first $5,000. This is the seed capital for your future. Social life must be sacrificed during this phase. Your friends might not understand, but they are not building the empire you are. By the end of March, you should have $5,000 in cash. You have proven to yourself that you can generate money. Step 3 spans from April to June. Now we build your defense. You need to accumulate $10,000 more in cash. This brings your total savings to $15,000. Place this money into a high-yield savings account to earn passive interest. This fund is your emergency wall. It ensures that you never have to sell your assets or go into debt when disaster strikes. Life is unpredictable. Having this cash reserve gives you the psychological peace of mind required to make smarter and bolder business decisions. You are no longer operating from a place of fear. You have a safety net that 90% of people do not have. Keep grinding at your jobs and side hustles. Do not increase your spending yet. Every penny goes into securing this $15,000. By the end of June, you have achieved stability. You have stopped the bleeding, increased income, and built a solid wall of protection. Step 4 takes place in July and August. You will use $5,000 of new income to aggressively invest in yourself. This money is not for saving. It is for buying access. Purchase courses that teach you how to scale your income per hour. Upgrade your tools. A faster computer or better software can double your output. You are building the infrastructure for a higher salary. Expand your network. Use some of this budget to attend conferences or dinners where you can meet people who are ahead of you. The goal is to increase your value to the marketplace. You want to stop trading time for money and start trading value instead. Knowledge is the asset that no one can take away from you. This investment will pay the highest dividends of your entire life. By the end of August, you are a different person. You are more skilled, better connected, and equipped with professional-grade tools. Step 5 covers September and October. Now we build true passive income. You will use your surplus cash to create a second stream. This could be investing in dividend stocks that pay you quarterly. The goal is to make your money work while you are sleeping. Alternatively, start saving aggressively for a down payment on a rental property. A duplex allows tenants to pay your mortgage for you. Do not expect to get rich instantly from this. You are planting seeds. The fruit will be harvested in the years to come. Diversification protects you. If your main job disappears, this second stream will keep you afloat along with your emergency fund. Wealthy people never rely on a single source of income. By the end of October, you have officially become an investor. Step 6 is the discipline test in November. This is the most dangerous time of the year for your financial health. November brings the discipline test. While the world spends money on holidays, you must protect the fortress you have built this year. Do not succumb to lifestyle inflation. Do not buy expensive gifts to impress people. Your financial security is the best gift you possess. Stay focused on the long-term vision. The marketing machine is designed to break you. You must be stronger than their advertisements. Pass this test, and you prove that you are the master of your money. You have survived the hardest month for savers. Step 7 is the final phase in December. It is time to review your journey and plan for the second year. Look back at where you started. You have no debt, a fully funded emergency account, new skills, and a growing investment portfolio. Year 1 was about defense and building the foundation. Year 2 will be about pure offense and aggressive wealth accumulation. You are now positioned to take risks that others cannot take. You have built the launchpad for a life of abundance. This 12-month plan is demanding. It requires sacrifice, discipline, and a refusal to be average. But the reward is freedom. Most people overestimate what they can do in a day, but underestimate what they can achieve in a single, focused year. You have the map. You know the steps. The only variable remaining in this equation is your willingness to execute the work. Do not let another year slip by in mediocrity. Start this plan today and rewrite the history of your family forever. Imagine yourself 12 months from now. Will you be in the same desperate place, or will you be standing on solid ground? The choice is entirely yours. The pain of discipline weighs ounces, while the pain of regret weighs tons. Choose your pain wisely. Real wealth is not just about the money in the bank. It is about the freedom to live life on your own terms. We believe in the power of numbers and the power of discipline. Join us on this journey to master your financial reality. Do not wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is right now. Take the first step and stop the bleeding immediately. If this plan resonates with you, hit the like button. It helps us reach more people who need to hear this message. Share this video with a friend who needs a wake-up call. Accountability partners make this 12-month journey significantly easier to survive. You are capable of more than you know. Trust the process, follow the steps, and do not deviate from the plan. This is the beginning of your legacy. Thank you for watching Real Numbers. Subscribe now to transform your financial future forever. Check out our other videos for more detailed breakdowns on saving, investing, and mastering the psychology of money and success. Remember, numbers never lie. Make the numbers work for you, not against you. See you in the next video. Real numbers, real plans, real results. Your 12-month countdown starts right now. Go out and make it happen. Transformation is possible. It requires consistency over intensity. Keep pushing forward every single day until you reach your goal. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. You have taken that step today. Keep walking the path. Thank you for being part of the Real Numbers community. We wish you success, discipline, and wealth. Goodbye for now.